Good morning and welcome from Belwith Keeler. We are on location to bring you guys some exciting news with things we've been working on. As the trend manager, I do quarterly reports on what I see coming from a trend perspective. The one thing that we have to do with trend, because we identify it so early, is we really have to sit and let it bake, if you will. I want to see if it evolves into a trend or how it evolves, that it's not just a fad. So one of the things that we noted in 2019 was the proclamation. So basically proclamation, it was statement items. It was large pieces of furniture or entry pieces or things that really made a statement into your home. And we kind of watched how that's going to evolve into the kitchen and bath. And what it has done is people are integrating antiques. The actual thrift market in America has increased about 25 to 30% over the last few months. So what you're seeing is an increase in the resale. It is very much driven by the Gen Z and the millennials looking for items to make the room their own, make the kitchen their own. So how we kind of seen that evolve into the kitchen and bath is a little bit more unusual hardware versus bringing or trying to integrate like a piece of furniture into that room. We've seen people take kitchen islands and put items on the end, wrinkles, things like that, decorative pieces. We've seen hardware on secretaries that are built in because the home office at home is here to stay. So we've seen a lot of that integrate. We watched and we thought, what better opportunity for us as a company who's been around since 1893 to go back into our archives, look for statement pieces, and bring a board to life. So that's what we've done for you guys. For 2022, we decided to launch what's called the Bijou Board. The Bijou Board is a collection of proclamation pieces, if you will. What better thing for us to do as a company that's been around since 1893 than instead of reinventing the wheel, we just go back into our own archives and we look at items that can translate to today's modern designs and can be integrated into your kitchen, your bath, your vanities, furniture items, repurposing dressers, things like that. So that's what we've got here is the Bijou Board.